Okay, guys. So let's just get on with the video. So we're here with all this stuff, and the mystery wheel is right here. It's actually homemade. So which should we?
So we're gonna use a cap just because we lost our what we were gonna use. So we're gonna use this cap right now. So it's gonna be right there. Go.
Okay, who go first?
No, you know what? Let's move this and do that in the middle. There's some noise right now.
Sorry, it's cause the neighbor. Okay, so who's gonna spin it first?
I want to go first.
Okay.
Siempre tiene que ser
You got red glitter.
Glitter.
They're not that much.
Okay.
Didn't even want that. Okay, what's that to start? I got
Gold glitter.
yeah, I got gold glitter.
So
Oh, sorry, there's
AC
too much. There's too much noise today.
Start talking louder. If
Yeah.
y'all can hear us, sorry.
We're sorry.
Just comment below. We can't hear you too. Do the video again.
Yeah,
I got
shaving cream. Wow, you already made your slime.
We're gonna
Wait,
mix
wait,
it
wait,
at the
wait,
end.
wait.
We're gonna be mixing the stuff at the end.
White glitter.
White glue.
White glue, yeah. I like white glue. I like white glitter. I like white glitter too, but we don't have it.
Okay, my turn to spin it.
Gold glitter. Silver.
Silver glitter.
You have to have it. You have to have it like separated like that. No, like that.
It's like snow.
Yeah. I want shaving cream.
Okay, go.
Oh, okay, it didn't even silver glitter.
I don't know what's with these glitters, but I really don't like putting glitter on my slime.
Me neither. I want it to be plain white. You always do it that close. Silver glitter again.
Silver glitter. I don't think we're even gonna make slime.
Yeah.
So we're basically just gonna do how many rounds?
Glitter.
We're gonna do
Lots of rounds. 10 rounds. Yeah.
10 more rounds.
Yeah, 10 more rounds.
So
I got gold glitter. Again?
this is basically round what, 3?
Yeah.
Because so this is round 3. I mean, yeah, round 3. Which means it's gonna be round 4 right now. Shaving cream.
Okay, my turn. White glue. White glue. I just got glue and glitter.
No, todo ahorita.
Like, we have lots of glue.
We still have some inside.
We have beads. No, wait. Beads, yeah.
So we couldn't find any phone balls where we went to buy them. So we just decided to buy these. I want some activator and glitter. That's how.
Got glitter. We're just getting glitter. I don't think this is round 5, right?
Yeah, round 5. Going on now to round 6. Blue glitter.
What? There's no more blue glitter.
I guess we get to do another one. Okay.
Wait.
Blue glitter again.
Blue glitter glue.
Oh, blue glitter glue. Can I ask you?
Yeah.
Can I ask you?
You're gonna get a blue slime.
Gonna be.
I actually want a white slime, so like right now. That's enough.
Okay, so I'm jumping. We're not gonna. Oh.
my
Round
round
five,
7.
right? Five.
Oh yeah.
Or six.
Five.
Six. Okay,
No,
fine. Five, I guess.
No,
sorry,
it's
we
6.
haven't-
It's 6. It's 6.
Okay, 6.
White,
blue. What did it go? Okay, my turn.
You got shaving cream again.
It's actually
Activator.
We don't have that much, but in case we don't have no more, we'll just go inside.
Get some more. Duh.
I'm gonna mix this at the end.
My turn.
Shaving cream. Oh yeah, it's shaving cream. Yeah.
I love fluffy slime.
I do. My turn. This is round 7.
No, 8.
7.
Okay. Shaving cream. My turn. Green glitter glue. Green glitter.
You don't have green glitter glue.
I like this color.
I don't like. I just wanted mine to be simple, like just white. We'll mix it till the end though.
I'm already mixing. No, green glitter glue.
Green glitter glue. There's no green glitter glue.
Green glitter. It's because I
I'm gonna start actually mixing it. This is round 9, I think.
There's gonna be 15 rounds.
15? Okay.
Wait, let's do it again. Activator. Yay! I got activator. Wait, let me try.
So this is my line. Wait, no. My turn.
Round 10. Wall glitter. Red glitter. I didn't even want to add a glitter.
I don't want that. I didn't even want it to let me.
Oh, you added beads. Your turn. This is round 11. Shaving cream.
Oh, good.
It's gonna be a fluffy slime. Super fluffy slime. No, wait.
The thinky blue, glittery glue.
It went through there. I don't want it to be color. I want it to be white.
Oh, God.
You have your hands messy.
Yes, because I was trying to see if it was a slime already. Oh, it's my turn.
Yeah, this is round 12. Rate it.
Round 12. Okay. White glue. You're going to put it just here.
That stingy fell over there. Let's just
So let's say white glue.
Let's do it.
Still say I did white glue.
Okay, white glue. She got white glue.
I'm going some glue.
She got white glue. Ooh, this is a great slime right now. But it's so sticky.
There's no more glue in this. Well, actually, there is.
You have to wait.
Still stuck in there. It's coming.
Wait for you.
You can go now. This is round 12? Yeah, the one they did.
Yeah. I got shady cream again. We're doing it at the outdoors.
white glue.
No, you got white glue again. You're using the other one.
This is round 13.
Okay, I'm going. Got activator. Mine.
So we don't have really that much time right now.
So this is round 13. We're almost done.
Okay.
Your turn.
My hands are too dirty.
It doesn't matter if it's dirty.
Red glitter.
Got red glitter. Okay.
Put some.
Oh, this is good. My turn.
This was round 14 actually. Last round.
Shaving cream. I don't want to add more.
I'm trying to my way up a little bit.
Okay, so
My last one is activate with it.
okay, no, mine. Last one. Let's hope for something good. Shaving cream. More shaving cream. Really. Okay, so my mom is coming. We're gonna pause it and we're gonna do our summary on 3, 2, 1.